Kani gadega batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hakaji kendo bat usembot Menteri Rangba ke Jylla, ubak Prestone Tynsong, si benta banyok lom miki kubor ki bedai, bat ki kampen roy jong ke Sorkar Jylla hak Jylla hi berakawai. Henen kasngi ke arpen reu tereng, ubna Jyllio ki kato kane kinong patai kubor, ringkat ke batisi TV kila tuat jing mot ru na uniu Menteri Sorkar. Halor ki jeka badan hak kapot, hapdeng ke Jylla Meghalaya bat Assam, ki bahadu menta ki don ki bahap apo ki benta jong ke jing kam trai markeliang. Halor kani nakaliang ubak Prestone Tynsong uloong bah halor kani ke benta ke Sorkar hadu menta kadang yai Buddien bat ki Chief Secretary jong boro arteli ki Jylla ru ki Buddien man lakapor da ke je keren hapleng jong ki nakapor sekapor. Hakabedai bat ke jing don jong ki jaka ki ba ke Jylla kala banduno lada poi se ke jing sutho jing mon. Nakaliang ubak Prestone Tynsong uloong ba ban poi hi se ke jing Pynbeit ke ban ne sundon bat ke ban ommi shu ke jing kan an. Le se kini boro arteli ki Jylla kinha banshim ya kata ka rukam ka baong haktin English ka baong give and take policy.
Status quo is still maintained, and then both the chief secretary of the two states are also in touch to each other till such time where we have a permanent solution again. And as of now, both the chief secretaries keep meeting each other in case if there is any problem to any portion, be it from Assam side or be it from Meghalaya side. So they are always in touch, and from the chief secretary level, we also do have a kind of regular meeting between the district administration of one state and our state. In case if there is any issue which needs to be attended to urgently. We already submitted, meaning from our side we claim that these are the areas where we would like retransferring, and number two is retransferring or maybe solution be in place. It was there. So as I said to you, just please wait for some times. We do have a lot of things to do right now in our state. So maybe give us some more time. Then we will again, because we would like to see that again the meeting of both the chief ministers in the highest level should again happen very soon. The idea is still there. So as I said to you, ultimately, once the meeting is held between both the party, meaning in the highest level, chief minister, then we will again talk about this give and take policy. Because I don't see any solution unless we are agreeable to give and take policy. Be it Assam, be it Meghalaya. Otherwise, if we keep fighting for 1 inch or 2 inch of land, so where is the end? There is no end at all. So I personally feel the spirit of give and take should be there.